The story of Zara Globe Solutions. In 2014, beside an express highway, a small roadside stall began a journey under the name MELIKA. With limited resources but unlimited determination, the focus was simple: creating products people could trust. What started with car perfumes, air fresheners, and home care products soon evolved into something much bigger. Between 2016 and 2020, the company invested deeply in research, testing, and innovation, our patents and accomplishments. Developing advanced concrete repair systems, acid-resistant coatings, and industrial protection technologies built for long-term performance. This became the foundation of MELIKA. Today, the company proudly serves industries connected with leading names like Pidilite, DP World, Tata Power, JSW, Coromandel, and many more, while expanding across GCC and African countries including UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa. From a small roadside dream to global industrial innovation, Zara Globe Solutions stands for resilience, innovation, and sustainable progress. Because every damaged surface can be restored, every industrial challenge can be solved, and every innovation can build a stronger tomorrow. Zara Globe Solutions MELIKA. Versatility, quality, innovation. From a roadside dream to an industrial global revolution, BrandMelika.